in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ken here. On today's video, I want to share with you a shift in gears that I've decided to take with my YouTube channel. I've been looking at the content that I've been bringing, and you know, one of the things I've noticed when I first started out on YouTube, I wanted to be able to share my tips and my techniques and my experience in a general way with people that are just looking to make money. But, you know, as I began to get into that content, one of the things I noticed that other YouTubers that are selling part-time or full-time were kind of talking about the same things. And one of the things that I've learned in business is the fact that, in my opinion, you know, and this is strictly my opinion, to be really successful with an online business, you have to do something that is going to either stand out or be different rather than blend in. So that's why I've made the decision recently that I'm going to take my YouTube channel in a slightly different direction. Now, I sell vintage postcards on eBay, and I wanted to be able to help people that are out there trying to sell on eBay and sell vintage postcards like I do. When I first started in the postcard industry, I didn't know anything. And it was very hard to find information on this. You know, they used to have a gentleman out there, I believe his name is John. He was like the guru of postcards on eBay. He has like 100,000 or more postcards in his library, in his inventory. He decided to retire and just do his postcards on the, you know, the way he does them. And he did away with his YouTube channel. And it was a sad day because we really learned a lot from him, and he just kind of went away. But, you know, he's entitled to that. He can do whatever he wants with his retirement. And I guess he wanted to simplify his life and didn't want to do the YouTube videos anymore. And he closed down his YouTube channel. So, you know, I wish him all the best. But the thing is, there just wasn't a whole lot of information out there for people like me who wanted to get into the postcard industry and sell postcards on eBay. You know, the videos that are out there that I researched, they were all like 5 and 8 and 10 and 12 and 15 years old. So the content was really not fresh at all. And I have found a couple of other people, like 2, that are actually doing this still and selling postcards currently, and I've learned a lot from them. But, you know, I wanted to be able to help people that, because there wasn't a lot of information out there, I wanted to be able to give tips and techniques, you know, what to look for, what to stay away from, in my opinion, the differences between different postcards, how to tell the difference, why you should go maybe with the PWE method of shipping, which is plain white envelope. You know, there is just so much content I can bring to the table here within this one genre, within this one niche market, or niche market, however you pronounce it, that will help people that want to get into this industry, because it is profitable. I have right now close to 925 listings on my eBay store. I can keep those postcards, and I could do a video on this too. I could keep those postcards in one tub. Can you imagine selling all kinds of different merchandise? You know, 925 different items of general merchandise? You would need a warehouse to just store it. I keep it all in one tub on a shelf. That's one of the advantages. But, you know, that's for another video. But the thing is, I just wanted to be able to help people that want to learn about the postcard industry. I don't know everything. I'm not an expert or a guru like John is, but I think I've been doing this long enough to where I can help you with some things and some questions you may have, and just share some experiences. I realize I'll probably lose some subscribers here. I don't have a whole lot to begin with, but I'll probably lose some because there might be people that just aren't interested in just postcards. That's fine. You can sell whatever you want on eBay. It's that kind of a marketplace. But for those people who really need some help, with selling postcards and learning about the postcard industry and what I can share. I've been doing this successfully now for over a year. Listen, I got to go. Sun's coming up. Got to go home and get to listing. So if you're interested in that kind of content, you know what to do. Just smash that like button. That helps the channel out. I appreciate it. Just wanted to share that with you. But you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.